When infection was showing on the CBCT, I was presented with my 3 choices. Dr. Berg told me I could leave it alone, I could get a retreatment or an extraction, and I chose extraction. And then Dr. Berg extracted the tooth for me, and I felt immediate relief, and I've felt better since. And we had different options for replacement. And first we started with a bonded bridge because I never wanted to put an implant in my body. Just the idea of something foreign and something metal, I just didn't feel very comfortable with that. I started doing research and I found that ceramic and zirconia are biocompatible. And so that became clear to me that it would be the healthiest and the safest option for me to have a ceramic implant based on the biocompatibility. And I got very excited and had my implant placed. So after the root canal, even though it was my tooth, it really never felt like my tooth. Everything just, it didn't feel right in my body. It felt foreign and strange for years. And so I expected with an implant something even more foreign and strange in my body. After the implant was placed, it just, I feel like my body just accepted it, and I don't feel anything weird or different. I just feel like it's meant to be there and it's part of my body, and that's a really important feeling to have. For me, I wasn't looking forward to wearing an essix retainer 24/7 while I was healing for 3 to 6 months, but time flew and I got used to wearing the retainer, so that was fine. And now that I have my implant, I'm so happy with it. I love my Ceraroot implant, and I just feel really grateful to everyone, and Family Holistic Dentistry and the team were so good to me and took really good care of me and are still very attentive. Because I was compliant with the essix retainer and I followed the doctor's instructions, my implant is healed at 3 months, and now I have my crown. And that process was so easy. I came for digital impressions with the Cerec machine, and the zirconia crown was milled for me right there when I was in the office and cemented. So it was just, a short appointment and my crown the same day as the impressions, and it's really amazing how smooth and just simple and clean the whole process has been.